The buzz on the law is hot this morning as there's a new twist in the Michael Jackson trial. As you know, Michael Jackson's family is suing AEG for tens of billions of dollars, claiming that they negligently hired him when performing in their concerts. In order to prove that someone's actually negligent, you're going to have to prove four things. Number one, that there's a duty or responsibility to another person. Number two, that you breached that duty. Number three, that you caused the injury. And number four, that there was actually an injury suffered. Here, Michael Jackson did end up dying, so there are damages there and an injury was suffered. But did AEG Live actually cause that? As we know, Michael Jackson hand-selected his own physician to take care of him, and we believe that that was the proximate cause of his death. So I think that they're going to have a hard time trying to prove that AEG Live was causally related to Michael Jackson's death. Rapper Ludacris was involved in a brawl this past weekend in Atlanta. He was apparently walking out of the club having a great time when someone threw a bottle at him and ended up hitting his girlfriend. A big brawl ensued between the bouncers and his own entourage, but Ludacris walked away fairly unhurt. He tweeted to all his friends that he was okay. Now, the question is from our viewers, they want to know, what if a participant or a bystander got hurt in this brawl? Could they be held responsible? Well, the bar could potentially be held responsible if somebody was noticeably intoxicated and they didn't remove that person from the club. As far as Ludacris is concerned, you can't blame somebody for the independent criminal acts of third persons. So, in other words, if somebody else started a fight but somebody else got hurt because they were watching the fight, you can't really blame that on someone like Ludacris, or the bar for that matter, unless you can prove, again, that they were responsible for not removing that negative element from the bar. Now, if you have any other questions on Michael Jackson's trial or Ludacris's fight, make sure you email us at questions@sellerlaw.com. That's questions@sellerlaw.com.